Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these really easy 15-minute crochet cat bookmarks. To start off, we are going to do a slip knot, and then we want to do a chain of 9. Once you have your 9 chains, we are going to do a half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, and then do a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over again. You've got 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull through all 3. And we're going to do that another 5 times. So in total you'll have 6 half double crochets. Once you've made 6 half double crochets, there will be 2 chains left. We are going to do a single crochet into the next chain, and then in the last chain we're going to do 4 double crochets all into the same chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into that last chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. So you've got 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, there's 2 left, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Repeat that another 3 times. So now it should look something like this. Now we are going to do a chain 2, and then we're going to do a single crochet into the second chain from hook. And this will create the ear of the cat. And now we're going to do 4 double crochets back into that same stitch that we were doing the double crochets in previously. After your first double crochet it will have a big hole, but don't worry, it will close up. We're going to do a chain 2 again to create the second ear, single crochet into the second chain from hook, and then again 4 double crochets back into the same stitch. So you've got the 2 ears, and then this is the hole that we kept on crocheting into the stitch. To close that, you can just pull the tail of the yarn that you started off with. So put it tight and it closes that hole. Now we're going to do a single crochet into the next stitch, working on the other side of the chain. We're going to do a single crochet into this stitch. And then we are going to do 6 half double crochets all the way down to the end. we are going to do a slip stitch into the next stitch, just to make it so our hook is in the center, because at the moment we're on the side. So slip stitch into the next stitch. Now we're in the center, and we are going to chain however many long you want your book to be. So I chained 31. If you want it longer, then just do a longer chain, and then we're going to do a single crochet all the way down back to the cat, starting from the second chain from the hook. So second chain, we've got 1, 2, single crochet, and just repeat that all the way back to the cat. After you've finished your single crochets, we're going to do a slip stitch back into the cat, just to join the tail, because at the moment it looks like this. We just want to join it so it looks put together. So just do a slip stitch back into the same slip stitch that you did before, and then fasten off. And all you need to do now is weave in your ends. And that is your finished bookmark complete.